guys, what's up?
What's up, you guys?
We are actually on what our fifth or sixth day. So fifth or sixth day of being on the Harmony of the Seas Royal Caribbean. Our second cruise, and this has been amazing. Honestly, this
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
ship is crazy. Like, it's literally a city on a ship. It's massive. There's so much more stuff to do. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. They got like a bunch of free food. They got endless entertainment. They got jazz clubs. They
There's
got
a robot bar.
They got Spanish clubs. They got Spanish restaurants. They got Italian restaurants. They got Pueblo. They got regalia fine jewelry. They got Starbucks.
Portables, a ton of hot tubs. Literally, it goes on and on. And more places to eat, which we love that part. But I realized I never filmed a room tour, so we're gonna show you around our room. We did book a ocean view balcony room. It was a little bit more expensive because it is a newer ship, and they have other type of balconies like the
Central Park balconies,
yeah.
the boardwalk balconies.
Yeah,
there's like they're balconies, but they're not overlooking the sea. They're overlooking the interior of the ship.
Yeah, they have these like neighborhoods. One of them is called Central Park with a bunch of like real plants, which is really cool. And then the boardwalk, which is kind of like a beachy vibe. So there's a ton of different like options for room options here. But we got the ocean view, so we're gonna show you around. Okay, so as soon as you come in, you got a mirror. The bathroom is right here. One thing I've loved about this cruise is the shower. It's way nicer than the last one. I mean, the whole bathroom setup just kind of makes more sense than our last cruise ship. It's just more updated. Also, there is a nice big couch, and then you've got the desk area here. The closet situation, I love because you have one on both sides. And they're massive. Like, you can fit so much clothes in here. The mirror lights up. It's got little like makeup lights. Got plenty of storage over here. More drawers. You have a fridge. More storage over here. A whole nother closet. Got more drawers. The bed. It's a nice view. One thing I love is this headboard. It's like backboard. It's very beautiful. I love this little ladybug. Got a nice flat screen TV. And then, the view. This is the best part. I love this balcony because you have footrest. Isn't that amazing? Here we are. That's one of the hot tubs up there, overlooking the ocean. So, pretty cool. There's the view stuff. Also got a little overlook point up here. People.
First meal on the ship, how was it?
Huh?
First meal on the ship, how was it?
Oh,
It's good?
yeah, I like the rice.
We went to the mini bites. Yeah. How's your passion spritz?
It's good. Get some more wine than like liquor though.
This is really good. What's it called? A peach.
Capriccio?
Yeah, because they're out of mint, and I wanted a mojito. It's actually
not right either.
really good.
Probably not the right name either.
Chilling in Central Park. Day 2 was my birthday, and we started out the morning with a workout and breakfast, and then we went to a free beach, like a public beach. It was called Junganu Beach, to kill some time before our excursion, but unfortunately our excursion got canceled due to the choppy water. We were supposed to snorkel, so unfortunately we didn't get to do that. One thing I learned when doing research before going on Harmony of the Seas is that Royal Caribbean actually owns the rights to a bunch of Broadway shows, so their entertainment is actually top tier, and especially in the Aqua Theater, they have like people jumping off of high platforms, diving into the water. They have synchronized swimmers. They have like aerial work, and they have tightrope performers. It's really cool and really entertaining, but do keep in mind that you do have to reserve the shows ahead of time on the newer ships, because I guess they're bigger ships and they hold more people. They do fill up fast, so you want to do that like right when you get on the ship.